In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $15,250 in commission just in one single month by promoting affiliate links using free traffic from Facebook. Okay, I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on Facebook. For people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will show you guys step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing business and how you can create an affiliate account like this one and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end, because I will share some new methods that you should start using if you want to earn some commission. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel, just go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next is you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service. They are really paying a good commission, and for me this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Okay, because it's really profitable. Okay, so just click over here on join now like this, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. What you need to do next, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type, make it private. Okay, do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and choose your country and choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose a profitable service that you will promote on Facebook to earn commission. You need to choose a service that people will be interested to buy from your affiliate link so you can earn commission. Okay, and I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate service that you should start promoting on Facebook. Okay, so just go back to your Facebook homepage like this. Okay, and search for this service. Search for YouTube thumbnail. Okay, search for YouTube thumbnail. Okay, and I will show you how you can find people who on Facebook that will be interested to buy this service from you. Okay, so I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose for example like this one. Okay, this one is top rated seller, he has a lot of reviews. I will click on his service. Let's check this seller, and here you go, you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do next is you just need to copy his profile link. Okay, copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Let me first delete the first. Okay, like this one. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account like this. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here like this. Click over here again, and here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook. Okay, so let's go to Facebook. So just open your Facebook homepage like this. Okay, and click on the search and search for YouTube. Search for YouTube subscribers, for example. You can search for YouTube subscribers or YouTube promotion or just YouTube. Okay, and you have here filters. Scroll down over here and click on groups. Okay, because we need Facebook groups. Okay, and here you go, you will find a lot of YouTube, Facebook groups that you need to join. So make sure to join all those groups. And in those groups, you can get so much traffic because there is a lot of people who are joining this group. Okay, as you can see, for example, like this one. Okay, so what you will do, let me show you. Let's choose this group, for example. I will click on this group. Okay, just click on the name of the group that you want to use. Okay, let me see. Let's check this one. Okay, let's check this one. Let me see this one, YouTube subscribers. And here you go, click on the group and scroll down. And here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are interested to grow their YouTube channels. Okay, get more views, more subscribers, and grow their YouTube channels. Like this one just posted this post, I need subscribe. Okay, this one needs subscribers. Okay, if you scroll down, I need YouTube subscribers. This one looking for YouTube subscribers. Okay, if you scroll down, you will find a lot of people here who will be interested. They are putting their YouTube their YouTube videos links here, as you can see, to get more views and get more subscribers. So those people will be interested to buy this service, YouTube thumbnail service, because YouTube thumbnails are very important on YouTube to get more views and more subscribers and grow your YouTube channel. Okay, so those people will be interested in this group. So what you will do, you will click over here on write something. Okay, and you will create a public post. Okay, you will go back to this seller profile page and you will scroll down and you should see over here about this gig. Okay, this is his description. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy this description. I will copy just this part like this, and they will go back to Facebook and they will put this description here. Okay, like this, and I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account and I will copy my affiliate link from here. If you don't have this old plan, you can copy new plan. Okay, it's almost the same. And go back to Facebook and put your affiliate link here like this, and here you go. What you need to do next, just click on post and your post will be published in this group, and people who are interested to grow their YouTube channels, get more subscribers, more views, they will check this service, and a lot of people can buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission, and that's it. Okay, that's how we can promote your affiliate links on Facebook, and that's how we can find people who will be interested to buy those services from your affiliate link. Okay, just click on post and your post will be published on this Facebook group. Okay, or you can, for example, like this one, I need subscribers, you can also even click on his name, click on message, and you can talk with this person and ask him if you are interested to grow your YouTube channel. If you are interested, you can check this top rated seller on Fiverr. He will help you to create an amazing and professional YouTube thumbnails that will increase your views and your subscribers. You can like this, you can write a description like this, or you can go and use chat GPT to make a good description for your affiliate service. Okay, then you will go and send your service to those people who have YouTube channels and they are interested to grow their YouTube channels. Okay, and make sure to join a lot of those groups. Okay, just join all those groups. You will find a lot of people who will be interested to buy those services related to YouTube to grow their YouTube channels. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.